What's up, guys? It's finally time to celebrate all you iPad users out there. iPadOS 19 is coming, and it's looking like we're finally going to get that upgrade we've been craving for years. Yes, it's going to feel a lot more like macOS. But don't worry, it's not going to be a full-on Mac clone. There's still an iPad vibe to it. Let's get into it. So, we've got iPads now rocking serious chips like the M1, M2, M3, M4, A16, and even A17 Pro, right? The hardware is definitely powerful enough to compete with your MacBooks, so it's high time iPadOS catches up. I mean, we've been rocking the same hardware but still dealing with a modified version of iOS. Come on, Apple, let's step it up. The first big upgrade? Productivity. According to Mark Gurman, Apple's pushing to make more apps universal on the iPad. Think apps that work on macOS, now working on iPadOS too. This means your iPad could soon handle a ton of Mac-style apps, and we might even see backward compatibility. Pretty cool, right? Next up, multitasking. Anyone who's tried multitasking on an iPad knows it's kinda clunky. But guess what? Apple's working to make it way easier. We could see a Mac-like multitasking experience with smoother window management. Finally, a true multitasking experience. And then there's Stage Manager. It's been okay, but not great. Mark Gurman spilled the tea on iPadOS 19, bringing us Stage Manager 2.0. This means better app organization and a smoother experience overall. It's like Apple heard our cries. Oh, and all these upgrades might be fully unlocked when you connect your iPad to a keyboard and trackpad. We're talking a Mac-like experience, possibly even a new menu bar at the bottom. Cool, right? But hey, leaks can be hit or miss, so take it with a grain of salt. As for the iPadOS 19 release, if you've got an iPad with the A16 or newer chips, you're good. The M1 to M4 iPads, iPad Pro, iPad Airs, and even the iPad mini with the A17 Pro will be compatible. But if you're rocking the A12X or older, you might be left out. We're probably looking at a beta drop around June 9th, but I'd recommend waiting for the public beta or the official release in September. So, iPadOS 19, are you hyped for these changes? Do you think the iPad is finally getting the love it deserves? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget, smash that like button if you enjoyed this vid, and hit that subscribe button for all the latest Apple news, reviews, and giveaways. Catch you next time, guys. Peace.